It's time for What Stopped the Block this week.
I'm about to be schooled by celebrity chef Matt Moran.
What are we making, champion?
Same mousse, the pan grilled francais.
What you call me, them fighting words, boy?
Mate, it is a classic French toast.
Hold on to your berets, there's pros at work.
I need 100 mils of that milk into there.
Good old 8.
No more and no less.
What, you want me to do this?
Yes, mate. Oh!
It's 100 mils, isn't it?
We've got some ricotta.
Ricotta.
Orange rind, brown sugar, icing sugar, and some vanilla bean, a little bit of cinnamon. Just mix all that around.
Want me to do that?
So we're going to cut the beautiful French brioche. We're going to soak that into our eggs and milk.
Yep.
For about a minute. We've got one there.
Bananas?
Bananas, like that. Just going to pop that in there. Oh, look at that. All right.
That does look good, doesn't it?
So we're going to whack that in the oven. We're going to give it a couple of minutes in there. Here we go. Look at
that. That looks magnificent.
Right, a little bit of maple syrup over the top and a little bit of icing sugar all over the plate.
Oh, it looks magnificent. Well done, mate. Right, another 43 to go. Snap it up.
Here we go.
Chop, chop, chef.
It's that easy. While Matt and I whip up some more of that fancy toast, I reckon it's time to put these blockheads out of their misery.
Yeah, Tess got a text from Scotty.
I couldn't understand it, though. It was in French.
Parlez-vous français?
I'm going to put it in Google Translate.
Bonjour, je vois ici, see the prince.
Wow, I'm pretty sure that was Chinese or Japanese in there.
Read that out.
Bonjour. Be at the prince in 15 minutes.
After 11 long weeks of blood, sweat and tears, this is the moment everyone has been waiting for.
So exciting. Gee, we've been frequenting the prince, haven't we?
Yeah, I know.
Good morning.
Hello, Shelley.
Come on in, make yourselves comfortable. How good? Move around the table. Go all comfy? Not too comfy, I hope. We've got one more surprise for you.
How are you, darling?
Missed you.
Hey, Mum.
I went straight to my mum. I love her. I miss her.
How did you get so big?
They all did, and we've marked it all on the door for you. Maddie has grown, I reckon, about that much. Same with Baxter. They're all grown. They've lost teeth. Their hair's different.
You're bigger than me, Mum.
Oh, done good, Scotty.
We love a family reunion, don't we?
Oh, we met Elsie.
Yeah, we just went for the cutest baby in the room. Amazing. Hello, gorgeous girl.
She is perfect. I cried so much meeting her.
Gosh, we have missed you so much. Hello.
Yeah, it's special. Very special.
It's like, hello. It's like, holy shit.
Hello, beautiful. We knew we had family coming. We didn't know they were all coming, so it was a big surprise when they were all there.
Why are you crying?
Because I'm so happy to see you. So to have them all together is very special.
Hey, mate. How you going?
I'm very happy. I'm just absolutely so rapt to see everybody. It couldn't have come at a better time for us.
I'm crying because you're crying, you weirdo.
We need that extra push to get through.
Now, what are we doing? Having real what? Real. Just blown away. Just that cuddle and their warmth. Yeah. Just to hear Mum.
Hello. How are you?
I had to get through all the Mel's, though, to get to my mum and dad. They were at the back there, but it was so exciting to see all of our family there. It's been a long time since I've seen any.
The tears started rolling, and it was a really, really good reunite. It was
Awesome moment.
It was a real reconnect. It was amazing.
Oh, Mr. Hunt.
Where's the block?
Down the road.
Let's not forget that you guys are actually building the biggest block ever.
Well, you still most of the work, man.
Yeah, I did 100 flights of stairs yesterday, carrying like soil and it's hard. It is so hard. And we have so much to do tonight, and I said I'm not doing it.
Should we come over and help?
You can come over.
Look at it.
I know, look at my hands.
It looks like you got nail polish.
Well, hello, folks. How are you? Are you having a good time?
Yes.
I tell you what, we've had our run-ins. We've had our run-ins.
I know how you feel.
He's a bit lippy sometimes.
I know.
And, of course, the piece de resistance. How's that for more French? Matt Moran's and my world-famous French toast.
How many can you take? Can you take 2 or 3?
Look at this. I can do this.
Look at that, huh?
It's not much I can't do.
Hi, you guys.
Oh, look out. Look out.
Oh, my God. Amazing.
There you go.
Oh, thank you, Matt. That's
Grab one,
beautiful.
Scott, before he drops it.
Yeah, I made it.
How are you guys going, Well?
We're good.
Full-on day?
Oh, man, it's just such a good day. We're loving it.
Oh, here we go. Who hasn't got one?
Oh, look.
I can tell you, the bloke that owns the Prince just offered me a job.
Thank you.
Scotty's funny.
He's funny, isn't he? Can you believe you finally met him in person? And Cheryl? Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, everybody.
Here we go, gluten-free option. I had to cut everything out.